Welcome to Garage Cars. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2025 Kia Syros, a compact SUV that's redefining what it means to blend style, performance, and practicality. With its bold design, advanced features, and exceptional efficiency, the Syros is built to take on any challenge, whether it's your daily commute or an adventurous weekend getaway. Let's explore what makes this SUV a true game-changer. The 2025 Kia Syros is a compact SUV that strikes the perfect balance between bold design, advanced tech, and efficient performance. Kia has crafted a vehicle that caters to modern drivers who demand both style and substance, making it a standout contender in its segment. Whether you're tackling city commutes or weekend adventures, the Syros is built to impress at every turn. Under the hood, the Syros offers two efficient engine options: a 1.0-liter turbocharged petrol engine for zippy urban driving and a 1.5-liter diesel engine for those who need a bit more torque for highway cruising or heavier loads. Both engines are paired with smooth manual and automatic transmissions, ensuring a responsive and enjoyable driving experience. The Syros feels equally at home darting through traffic or taking on open roads, with a suspension setup that prioritizes both comfort and control. On the outside, the Syros sports a dynamic and modern design that's hard to ignore. The iconic tiger nose grille is flanked by sleek LED headlights, while bold character lines and sporty alloy wheels add a touch of aggression to its profile. The compact dimensions make it perfect for urban environments, yet its elevated stance gives it a rugged appeal that's ready for adventure. Every detail, from the aerodynamic curves to the stylish rear design, speaks to Kia's attention to craftsmanship. Step inside, and the Syros greets you with a cabin designed for comfort and convenience. Premium materials and clever design touches create a space that feels open and inviting. The centerpiece of the dashboard is the large, integrated infotainment system that combines navigation, connectivity, and entertainment features seamlessly. Comfortable seating, ample legroom, and a versatile boot space ensure the Syros is as practical as it is stylish, catering to families and individuals alike. Fuel efficiency is another strong point of the Syros. The petrol variant offers excellent mileage for city driving, while the diesel option delivers impressive efficiency for longer journeys. Both powertrains are engineered to keep your fuel bills in check, making the Syros an economical choice without compromising on performance. The 2025 Kia Syros is a complete package for those who want a stylish, capable, and efficient SUV that's ready to meet the demands of modern life. It's a car that proves you can have it all. Thanks for watching Garage Cars. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting updates on the latest cars. Stay tuned, and we'll see you in the next one.